Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm ready to share with you guys my surprise of what I have been working on for the past couple months now. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Ta-da! I have been working on my new soap company. If you guys have ordered from my previous soap company called Pookie's Haven, I am changing the name of that store and I have a store name in mind. I'll share that with you guys once I get my website on Etsy started up and start listing all my new soaps. This is just going to be focused on barred soap. Some are going to have colors in it, some are going to be all natural. So I'm just going to give you a tour. Right now it's kind of messy. I've been soaping all weekend, but that would such a good time to share with you guys what it looks like kind of in the process. But here is where I keep all my like coconut oils and whatnot. Here is where I'm going to be putting all the soaps to cure on the rack for 3 months. 2 to 3 months, I'd say. The longer you have them cure, the better soaps they become. That's why they are taking so long. So here is what it looks like. I do usually have the window open, getting fresh air in while I'm working, which is really good when you're working with lye. So honestly, it is kind of a mess right now, just because I have everything out. But I'll kind of show you guys what I have. I have these 2 pans, an electric stove top here, so I don't have to like get lye all over in the kitchen. I still have to wash this stuff here, but this is what I use to weigh all my coconut oil and palm oils and such in there. I have my scale here, my stick blender, some of my fragrances. I do have a whole nother box of fragrances on its way. But yeah, I'm going to share with you guys some of the fragrances to keep in mind because you'll probably see them on my soap website once I start taking pictures and doing that once the soaps are cured or almost cured so you guys can see what the colors will look like. But I got the Love Spell, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Cookies for Santa, Black Raspberry Vanilla, Candy Cane, Frosted Pine, Pumpkin Spice, Spice Cider. And then those are just some other oils that I use. Here is my soap cutter. I have this just propped up on a candle here so it's not putting any pressure on those strings. And I just have some colors out here. I do use mica powder in my soaps if you guys do purchase a colored soap. Here is another shelving rack here. I'm so excited. I just finished 4 loaves of the oatmeal milk and honey. Those are going to be all natural with no coloring in it. Then here I have some black raspberry vanilla and some Love Spell down there. Then I just have some random storage shelving in here where I keep some of my stuff. And here is my water bath of when I cool down my lye and my oils so I don't have to wait so long. But yeah, I cannot express to you guys how excited I am. I decided just to start all over in my soap shop. I wasn't loving my products, which happens to me, I don't know. But being I took so long and like kind of organized everything out in my mind of what I really want to do. It did cost a lot of money to like start over. I bought a lot of new shelving from IKEA. Those soap racks over there from IKEA if you guys are interested. And then all the fragrance oil is very, very expensive. And then all the soap boxes that I bought. I did buy 10 of these wooden boxes and I wrapped them all in parchment paper. It is very time consuming. Luckily, I had some help with a relative who had a soap company for the past 30 years, and unfortunately, she couldn't do it any longer because of her knees. It is a lot of standing and bending, but yeah, she was very successful, and she gave me her recipe, so I'm going to start off by using her recipe, and then probably changing it a little bit if I don't like how it's turning out, or just trying something new when I get tired of this one. So this soap is going to have pure silk in it, which makes this soap stand out from any other soap. There are some soap makers that do use silk in their soaps. And if you guys are wondering, like, is there going to be strings in my soap? No, because when I add the silk, I do it in the lye, so it disintegrates in the lye, but it's going to leave your hands feeling so silky, which is it's going to kind of be of a luxury soap bar. So yeah, I cannot wait. I got some kind of fragrances that are good for year round, like the Love Spell and Oatmeal Milk and Honey. And then I did pick up like the Frosted Pine and the Cookies for Santa for Christmas time. I do have more stuff coming in the mail. If there's a fragrance that you guys love, please comment down below so I can purchase that fragrance and get that ready for you guys. Oh my gosh, like I am like so speechless. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Let me know down in the comments. If you guys are as excited as I am. Thank you guys so much for like supporting my other soap company. I really appreciate it. I couldn't have done this without you guys. But yeah, I look forward to the future. And every time I cut my bars of soap, I will be filming it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks and to kind of get it in your mind of what you guys will be interested in the next couple months. So if you guys have any suggestions for me, either in my soap room, my setup, fragrances that you like, or any tips that you guys can help me, that would be great. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys what it starts looking like once I put my cut soaps in there. If you guys have any ideas for wrapping my soaps, let me know. I kind of need some help on that. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!